Hello and welcome to the Friedel project demonstration. My name is John Scott and I am going to be presenting the demonstration to you. I'm actually going to be standing in front of the room and I should be waving right at you right about now. So as you can see, this is our login screen. In order to use the application, you actually need to have a user profile. So I'm going to go ahead and create sign up in order to create such a profile. So I just got to enter in my first name, my last name, a username, a password. Just keep it nice and simple using my names. I click create an account and it takes me back to this screen and I can log in using those same credentials. Once we log in, we are taken to the home screen. This is where all the assignments that are currently created for the associated profile are displayed. Since this is a new profile, there aren't any assignments displayed. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how to create an assignment and add it to this home display. So we click over here on the left, that's the nav bar, a new assignment. It takes us to this view, and we can give the assignment a title, a description, a due date, a priority, and then create the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I have a essay due in 300. And the topic I want to talk about is like repairability. And let's set it to be due on the 15th. And that's going to be coming up pretty quick, so I'm going to give it a priority of 8, signifying it's pretty important. Cool. So now we can see that it's displayed on the home page with the name, the due date, and the priority of how we should start tackling those assignments. So there's actually a way to sort the assignments. You can sort the assignments based on alphabetical or priority, but in order to sort them, you're going to have to have more than one assignment. So let's go ahead and create another assignment. Go final project, group work, set that out to like the 30th, and then we can give it a low priority because that's going to be a while from now. So create that assignment. We can see that it's showing up here, final project due not for a long time, and we can go ahead and click on this button right here, priority. It'll sort it by least priority and then the highest priority, and go ahead and do the same over here with name. Cool. So there's actually another way to add assignments. If you go over here to the nav bar and click calendar, it displays a view that shows the calendar for the current month. If we click on June 27th, we can create a new assignment for that date that gets filled in right here. So let's go ahead and say that I have a lab for CSC 300 or 321. And we're going to be creating some kind of encryption. And so that's going to be about a middle priority. It's a little bit before the group projects do. So create assignment, and it shows up in the list, and once again we can sort them. There are a couple other features that we implemented for this project. That includes the scratch pad, in which you can write in some text. So this is a note, and go ahead and click down here and click Save Note. Furthermore, there's settings over here on the left. You can go edit account, change your username, update your first name, your last name. Or you can go here and edit your email, or you could change your password. So we're going to go ahead and go back to home. One of the important things that we wanted to be able to implement was the ability to modify or delete an existing assignment, or even mark it complete so that we know that we're done working on it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 300 essay. So I can click anywhere on this row in order to open up the specific assignment for that thing. So we're in the view assignment screen. It lists the title, the description, the due date, the current priority. So I can click here and go modify assignment. I could go ahead and change it. So if we just want to change the class, we'll make it 400. I don't know if that's a class. And we can click save, and it'll update it here as well. We could also, of course, delete it or mark complete. If we mark it complete, it'll take it away from the assignments view. And ideally, we wanted to keep track of how many assignments you kept completed, but that didn't get implemented. And then, of course, you could also delete the assignment as well. And that's about all we have for our demo. Thank you for your attention. We can go click log out or exit pasta.